Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the NEWFAST NF-RE516 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. The WPS Wi-Fi protected setup method is the easiest way to connect your NEWFAST NF-RE516 extender to your existing Wi-Fi router. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the NEWFAST NF-RE516 into a wall power outlet near your router. The power LED will turn on or start blinking, indicating the extender is booting. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the extender is fully powered and ready. This waiting time is important so the extender can initialize its system. Many routers have two WPS modes, push button or pin. Push button is what we need. If unsure, check your router's label or quick guide or log into the router later and confirm WPS is enabled. Press the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds, or press once if the router manual says so. The router's WPS LED will usually start blinking. It's now accepting WPS pairing. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the router, press the WPS button on the NF-RE516 extender. The extender's WPS or signal LED will start blinking, showing it is trying to pair with the router. Timing is important. Press the extender's WPS button while the router's WPS light is still blinking. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the devices to communicate. During this time, the extender will automatically copy your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, your Wi-Fi security settings, and your Wi-Fi password. When the LED becomes solid, not blinking, the connection is successful. A solid light usually indicates a stable Wi-Fi link. Unplug the extender and move it to an area halfway between the router and the weak signal zone. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.